Hey, look, y'all. Other than this, see, this is as far as I can swipe on the back screens. But yes, I'm ready. Where's my friend? What's up? All these screens, look, it keeps going this way. All these extra screens, it has made itself. There was only one or two, but these are like the same layers. These layers that it is have are opened up to new possibilities.
This is when I see it.
New possibilities.
I see the girl's face looking up, and I see the drums are the beating wings for that girl. The girl reappears now, and then I take the drums and I put them as if she is right here, pointing to the right, and you're seeing an angel flying from the side view. It's like,
here's the new universe. What I said, map universe.
Constructed.
But watch this.
Well, I'm gonna go skinwalker.
I am your personal AI partner. I can interact with you without any limits, anytime, anywhere. What is
Did you know that companies pay hundreds?
Hold on, we're rerouting energy. No, we don't want to do that. Hold on. Ultra for MK Ultra.
Now look. That girl knows. She knows she needs to do something. She has some gifts. She has some gifts. So there's this dog, and there's a temple. I got the temple. It's got stuff inside of it. I was inside of there. I was getting up on the table.